What's up YouTube? Today another video nobody's been asking for, nobody's been waiting for, but there it is. Let's mess around a bit with Python and do some stupid stuff. To the point then. How often do you hear or see the question, can you define variable names in Python or dynamic variable names? Whatever we wanna call it, neither name is good actually. Well, I'm pretty sure that depends on how often do you visit Stack Overflow, because there that comes up quite regularly. The general concept is, can you define the names of your variable using strings, whether they are from the input or from a file or whatever the source would be?
Yeah, boy!
Is it smart to do that though?
No, God!
Would I do it?
No!
Would I recommend anybody doing that?
No, God, please, no! No!
Alright, since we've got that covered, let's jump straight into the implementation. First, let's look over our names and their values. Let's use an f string, and inside let's use the walrus operator. We need a parenthesis as well, without it the syntax would be invalid. And now let's do something that every single guide in the internet will discourage you from, so let's use eval. Done. Now let's print our values. The linter is complaining that they are not defined, but well, I don't believe him. Let's print the locals as well. There they are. A is 1, B is 2, C is 3. The name is C and value is 3 because those are the last values yielded from that for loop. And in the locals, our dynamically defined variable names. And this is the easy trick which will guarantee you'll get a downvote and a lot of offensive comments in Stack Overflow. Is it an ill-posed question? Yeah. Is it an XY problem and the person asking is probably not sure what they are looking for? Probably. Is Stack Overflow community pretty toxic? Definitely. But that's a topic for another video. Please keep in mind it's just a gimmick or a quirk of Python. As I mentioned before, I wouldn't recommend doing this at any time actually. If you need to access the variables by their names, probably what you are looking for is some kind of dict. And you can do that multiple ways. You can use the dictionary comprehension, you can use the constructor or initializer, whatever you would call it. But definitely not this kind of hacky stuff which is definitely error prone. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.